Hi there, I am joined by Almedio Skerpa, the Director of ITA. How are you?
Very fine, very good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very well.
Great.
So it's day one of Arab Health 2023. How are you feeling?
I do feel more, let's say, cared. Yeah, I feel like safe when I visit a fair called Arab Health. So that's why I'm here. That's why we are here, like Italy.
And what is Italy doing to be more sustainable in the sector?
Actually, we invented the motto sustainability is sustainabitally, not by chance, because over the last 10 years, the Italian companies into pharmaceutical, into medical devices industry, into biotech, they reduced the consumption of energy by 80%, and the use of waste, as well as they reduced also the use of plastic. And first in Europe, they invented a new system for the collection of medical waste and disposals, so the center for the collection of these disposals. So it's a commitment that over the last 10 years the Italian industry took over about circular economy and sustainability. So that's why sustainability is sustainabitally also here at Arab Health.
I really like that, that's really funny. And what have you brought this year that's new that we haven't seen yet?
Well, it's quite difficult to say what is new, but consider that we have like 160 companies, exhibiting companies, and for sure you can find the new, let's say, invention or the new ideas into diagnostic. So visit the diagnostic sectors and whole, as well as, of course, the biotech technologies. Why? This is possible because we are flexible, because more than 90% of the companies of these sectors, of this industry in Italy, are SMEs. SMEs means flexibility.
And can you give us an example of a success story where your products, or your services rather, have had a positive impact?
Yeah, I give you two. One about the services. Italy was one of the first country in the world and in Europe to realize the so-called close geo-localized services for the patient. What I want to say is that we don't have really only the big hospital in the big cities, but we do invented the healthcare sector that goes to the client, which means with a little center in the little town, you always find very close to you the service. A champion of this is Gruppo San Donato, which is really managing the big hospitals in Italy. It's the biggest private sector company in Italy in the hospital sectors, but also into this kind of very near approach health services. And Gruppo San Donato is here in these days making very important meetings, and is also owned by some Arab funds. And on the other hand, yes, talking about pharmaceuticals, just in this year, one of the biggest group of Italy, I can say the name, is Gruppo Menarini, just opened its offices here in the UAE.
So that's quite big news. Are you excited about that?
Absolutely, yes. Consider this a country that by 2025 will request something like $1.85 billion in the pharmaceutical industry from the pharmaceutical providers from all over the world. So you have to be here to serve this country, this market better and better. Not only the UAE market, but GCC. So stay here makes the difference.
And what can you get at Arab Health that you can't get anywhere else?
Non ho capito.
Fair enough. Can you tell us about the trade relationship between Italy and the UAE?
Also the trade, the bilateral trade, actually, the Italian export increased over the last year. Actually, in the first 9 months of 2022, increased by 63%. We reached now a value close to 100 million euro. But as I said before, the market is here, and the offer, the flexibility, the sustainability of Italy is here. And Italy is the 9th world exporter in this sector, so also the reputation of Italy is here to stay.
And will you get some time to enjoy Dubai whilst you're here as well?
Yeah, actually, I've been living in Dubai since 3 years. So
Okay, it's not new to you then.
no, but you know, it's a city that always has some new proposal to you, a new place to discover. Just opening, I mean, the newspaper you find every day, every weekend, a new place where to stay. So why not? I want to discover the Dubai of the 2023. You see, this is Dubai.
Thank you so much for your time.
Ciao.